Hi, I'm Ree, and this is Kai, and today we're showing you costume color schemes. So one thing in the technical theater world you should never do is wear clashing colors. Eek! That pink and that purple do not work together. So there are 3 different color schemes that you can work with in the theater world. There's complementary colors, something called the rectangle, and then something else called the analogous colors. So while our model changes into their next outfit, I'll talk to you about our first type of color scheme. We have complementary colors. Complementary colors are when you have opposites on the color wheel. So like yellow and purple are opposites on the color wheel. Now one might think that this yellow shirt and that ugly purple hat would not work together, but they work just fine. It's a perfect outfit for a 1970s samurai housewife. So in the technical theater world, you want to make sure your complementary colors are actually complementary colors. Like green and blue aren't complementary colors. Yes, they are a type of color scheme, but they're not complementary colors, so that would not count as a complementary color scheme. Did you stop it? This is an example of a rectangle color scheme. As you can see, these are the so-called rectangle on the thing. So we've got the red, the yellow, and blue and purple, which makes a rectangle if you look at it on the color scheme. Yeah, so the rectangle color scheme is pretty much used for flashier characters because it incorporates a lot of different colors into one outfit. So it's a really fun thing to do, especially when you have like funner characters. And one might think that the rectangle color scheme wouldn't work with each other, but it does. And this model right here really pulls the look off. This here is an example. This here is an example of an analogous color scheme. As you can see, it incorporates purple and 2 different shades of burgundy into one outfit. Now the colors align with each other on the color scheme. So like red and orange would be right next to each other, and purple and burgundy are right next to each other. Now one might think that this wouldn't work with each other, but it does since they're analogous colors. Yeah, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed learning about color schemes.
Yes, you did.